Hello everyone, this is Rishu George and here I'm going to discuss about my sixth networking experiment, that is about dynamic routing through OSPF. So here OSPF stands for Opens Shortest Path First. So why are we choosing OSPF instead of RIP version 1 and RIP version 2 is that it is useful for both classful and classless networks, as we already have seen that in RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. RIP version 1 is used for classful networks and RIP version 2 is used for classless networks. OSPF has an advantage that it works for both the networks, and it uses the link state algorithm LSA that it sends every 30 seconds to the network. And the use of this algorithm is that it estimates the link cost and the bandwidth and chooses the shortest path for the network. So we will see the topology for this. So here is the created topology that I have already done, and I have already made the connections through the routers. So we can see that here we have having three LAN networks, the first, second and third, and three wide area networks, and every network has been assigned its address and PCs are assigned their IP addresses. So it is 192.168.10, here it is 20, and here it is 30. So we can see the PCs have already been assigned their IP address. It is assigned 10.2, this one is assigned 10.1, and like that every PC have been assigned accordingly. So we'll now see how to do routing through OSPF in the routers. So we'll go to the command line interface and we'll first enable the router by the command en, followed by the command conf t to configure the router. Then we have to give the address command network space 192.168.10.0. Then we have to give the wildcard mask. That is, what is by wildcard mask is basically it is the inverse of the subnet mask. So here we are having 192, that is class C, and it has three network hosts. So in wildcard it will become 3 hosts and 1 network. So it was 255.255.255.0. In this it will become 0.0.0.255. Then we have to give a process ID. Here the process ID will be after configuration we have to give the router OSPF command. Some mistake here. Router OSPF command followed by the process ID, and here we are having 10, and then we have to give that command network 192.168.10.0. then the wildcard mask, that is 0.0.0.255. then the process ID, the area, that is area 0, as OSPF is of two types, that is single area and multi area, and here we are using a single area, so the area code is area 0. Here we have to give space between the area and network 192.168.10.0. 255 is area 0. So then again we will give the same command and we will change the network address. Here we can give 20, and we can configure the routers. For every router we can give the same command, and we can enable the connection between the routers. Now we'll see the routing table. Like we can see every connection has been made and it is active through the serial active. Now we'll try to ping the PC, like through this PC we'll try to ping through this network we'll try to ping the another one, that is 192.168 dot we'll try 10.0. Sorry, yeah, we can see it is pinging and the reply is coming as 4 packets has been sent and it is been received with 0% loss. So it is pinging successfully. Now we'll try to send a packet to this PC. We'll try to send in this one, and you can see that's done. So you can see the packet is traveling through the routers and the PCs. Now it has reached its destination and it has to come back to the source. So you can see the packet has been successfully sent and received, and the main use of this OSPF is that it has an advantage over RIP version 1 and 2, and it finds the shortest path, and we have a link cost estimation through this. We have a better link cost. So that was all about OSPF dynamic routing. Thank you.